Hello guys, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make Choco Vanilla Marble Cake with Choco Date Vegan Frosting. This cake turned out amazing. I did this for my husband's birthday. I wanted it to be extra healthy, so I made no sugar date frosting. You cannot sense any date in this frosting recipe, yet it tastes perfectly delicious. It has a caramelly chocolate flavor to it, and also my husband and kiddo loved it. It literally melts in your mouth. Let's jump into the making. First, let's make the buttermilk for the cake. I have taken half cup of milk. Let's add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to it and mix it gently. Let it sit for 10 minutes until it curdles. Meanwhile, I am going to grease a 6-inch pan with oil or butter. I have used butter to grease the pan. Place parchment paper. Set it aside. Now I am going to sift my whole wheat flour. Sieving the flour is very much necessary for this recipe. Whole wheat flour tends to be dense, so sieving it makes the flour airy. In another bowl, I am taking half cup of raw powdered sugar. I am not using white sugar for this recipe. Quarter cup of oil. I am using peanut oil. Mix well until it is creamy. 3 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. Use thick curd. Mix well until well combined. Now let's sieve the flour for the second time. Sieving the flour will aerate the flour that results in fluffier cake. Also, I am adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda and a generous pinch of salt. Sieve everything together. Mix well gently. Do not overmix. Overmixing always results in dense cake. Next, I am going to divide the batter to 3 portions. So I have taken 2 cups and equally measuring it into the bowls. Add 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder to one part of the batter, 1.5 teaspoon of cocoa powder to other part of the batter. So I would get 3 different colors in my cake. Mix separately with different spoons. I am also adding instant coffee powder to enhance the flavor of the chocolate. Mix gently, do not overmix. Keep separate spoons to pour the batter. Now I am adding the batter into the greased cake pan. Add equal measures of the batter. Repeat steps until all of the batter is gone. Tap the cake pan to set. Make preferred designs using a skewer. Our cake batter is ready. So now let's bake the cake at 355 Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Meanwhile, I am going to prepare my date frosting. For that, in a blender, I am adding 12 soft dates and 2/3 cup of water. If your dates is not soft, soak it in water for some time and then grind it with water. Grind it into a fine paste. See the luscious creamy paste we got from the date mixture. Use a strong blender to make this paste. In the same blender, I am adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for the chocolatey flavor and half cup of peanut butter. You can also use almond butter for this recipe. Combine everything. So I am going to grind it again. Leave intervals and grind it into this creamy paste. This is just same like our regular frosting, but it will be a little thinner side. So if you are going to make double frosting cake, just make sure you refrigerate it for some time before using it on your cake. I'm using a single layer cake, so I'm using it as such. So our cake is baked perfectly now. I'm trimming the part for applying the frosting. Apply the frosting over the cake as needed. I am using an icing spatula to level the cake. Make desired designs using a piping bag. Also, I have placed some strawberries for attractive color, and I have used some white chocolate to it. Yummy birthday cake is done. See the awesome design it has got. It does not have any artificial ingredients. The biggest part is that the cream is sweetened with dates. Even diabetic patients can opt a little bit for this cake. Cake cutting is done now. I wanted to show you guys how the cake looks like in inside. It tastes absolutely delicious. Let's cut the cake again. The frosting used here does not taste like dates. It has a caramelly chocolate flavor. See the awesome texture it got. Try this amazing recipe today and comment your feedback. The notes and ingredients of this recipe are given in the description. Check out my playlist for healthy bakes and cooking. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes. Subscribe to my channel if you like my video. Thank you.